Close your LCD, Aaron. I'm coming in. If you're in here, come out. Touch one of us. Is there a little girl in here? What was that?
Just then, Nick's digital recorder captured a strange, high-pitched voice, followed by a disembodied breath. Was this the little girl with some other spirit? Here's the enhanced audio.
What was that? If that was the little girl who was talking to me, can you do it again?
Are you still rolling?
Yeah.
Where's your recorder?
I've been rolling. Okay.
Little girl, are you here?